Hello students, let us solve an interesting problem once again. Here is the question. AT and BT are two tangents at points A and B to the circle with the center O. Okay. If angle OAB is equal to 20 degrees, then find angle X. This is the question. So let us understand what is the question once again. Angle OAB, this angle is 20 degrees and you are supposed to find this angle X. So let us try to find out. How do we go about it? So we know that TA and TB are the two tangents, and because they are drawn from a single point and they are tangent to the circle, so their length will be same, that is TA is equal to TB, right? So angle TAB is equal to angle ABT. Okay. Now in triangle ATB, angle TAB plus angle ABT plus angle ATB, all these three angles, sum of these three angles will be equal to 180 degrees. Correct? So angle ATB will be equal to 180 minus 2 times angle TAB. But angle TAB, look at this angle TAB is equal to 90 degrees minus 20 degrees. This angle 90 degrees because OA is perpendicular to TA, so this angle is 90 degrees and it's given that angle OAB is equal to 20 degrees. So TAB is equal to 90 minus 20, that is equal to 70 degrees. So once we know this, we can find out ATB. Angle ATB is equal to 180 minus 2 into 70, that is 180 minus 140, that is equal to 40 degrees. So we have angle X equal to 40 degrees. Okay. Did you understand the procedure? Fine.